for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, traction control, OnStar, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, security system, compass, fog lights, bucket seats, trip computer, panic alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.